Greetings everyone. So today we are going to the market. We are going for shopping. We want to buy food condiments. So let's go. Yes. First, market. What is market in Igbo? Afia. Pardon me. Afia. So the first item we'll buy today is salt. Salt. And salt is no. Salt means no in Igbo. Salt means no, no in Igbo, no. So the next thing I want us to buy is pepper. So osu or ose, osu, ose, osu. Either you call it osu or ose, depending on the dialect you prefer. Osu. Okay, so we want to buy oil. The oil is called mano, 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 mano. You can see there is double M that is there. Mano. The next one is rice. Rice. Osikapa. Osikapa. I remember when we were young, we used to sing a song, funny song. Osikapa jollof. Ona tokarika beans. Anyway, that's by the way. So osikapa, osikapa, rice. So osikapa is Igbo, name for rice. So let's buy fish. Fish. We call fish azu in Igbo. Azu. Azu. Whichever fish, but azu. Fish is fish, so we call it azu. Beans. Beans. We call beans agua. 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 So Igbo name for beans is agua. Well, this one is not so difficult. Yam. Yam, yam, and the Igbo calls yam G, G, G. Thank you. Yeah, another one. Meat, meat. Igbo calls meat anu, anu, anu. All right, I'm moving. Onions. So we call it yabas, yabas, or yabas, yabas. Onions, Igbo calls it yabas. Okay, the last but not the least, I don't want my video to be too long, is potato. Potato, this is not so common. In Igbo, it is called nduku, nduku. Please, it's not that popular food, Ghanaian food I called or what, but this is nduku. Nduku. Thank you very much. See you in my next class. Bye. Please like and share my video.